So the interior painting is finished. We enlisted the aid of our grandson, who sitting at home with nothing to do during the pandemic, no school or anything, so he came and lent a hand to do, kind of help with the priming. Did a pretty good job too. So now it's time to move on to the installation of the shore power receptacle. Now the hole saw that would be required would be a 2 7/8. Couldn't find one, so we're going to have to do it with a jigsaw. So I made a template to fit the size of the thing, and covered the area with painter's tape to avoid marring it with the jigsaw, and mark out the circle with a marker, and drill a starter hole so we can get the jigsaw in to start the cut. Now I'm using a metal cutting blade here because the outer skin is aluminum, of course, but it cuts right through the aluminum and the wood and everything. And progress was pretty good. Here's a little bit of inside action. Had a camera set up to show the saw working through the inside of the wall. How about that? Perfect fit. I used a deburring tool to clean up the sharp edges of the cut, but a file would work too, but I have the deburring tool, so that works fine. Now I'm going to line the hole with roofing tape, waterproofing tape, whatever you want to call it. I forget the brand name of it right now. I'll look that up and I'll put that down in the description there. It's not Eternabond, it's something like that. Yeah, so it fits in there pretty good and adheres. Well, in theory at least, it should help to weatherproof it a little bit. I used 2-inch screws so they will go right through into the interior paneling. So that's it, that's done. Next video we'll go to work and start wiring the interior. That's it for now. Check out these videos and we'll catch you next time.